Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Montu's Toys.
Today we'll know about animals' name. Here we have lots of animals you can see. We have tiger, giraffe, cheetah, wolf and lots more. Let's get started. Our first animal is chicken. Do you know how does chicken sound? Chicken. Our next animal is rooster. Do you know how does rooster sound? Rooster. Bye bye rooster. Our next animal is goat. Goat. Let's see which one is our next animal. It's a cow. Cow. Bye bye cow. Next one is sheep. Do you know how does sheep sound? Sheep. Let's see which one is our next animal. Our next animal is kangaroo. 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 Next one is zebra. 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 It's a horse. How does horse sound? Horse. Bye bye horse. And our next animal is, it's a cheetah. Cheetah. It's a rhinoceros. Do you know how does rhinoceros sound? Rhinoceros. Bull. Bull is a very strong animal. Bull. Next one is fox. Fox. Our next animal is elephant. Do you know how does elephant sound? Elephant. Do you know what's this? It's a tree trunk. Our next animal is monkey. Monkey. Next animal is, it's a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Next animal is moose. Moose. Do you know what's this? It's a tiger. Tiger. Wolf. Do you know how does wolf sound? of the jungle. Lion. Do you know what's this? It's a gorilla. Gorilla. Giraffe. Long-necked giraffe. Giraffe. And our last animal is crocodile. 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 It's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching.